Richtech Robotics continues the robotic revolution with DEX, its first mobile humanoid robot designed for real-world industrial applications. Powered by NVIDIA's Jetson Thor processor, DEX combines advanced AI reasoning with physical precision, allowing it to perform complex, dynamic tasks for a full workday on a single charge. Through collaboration with NVIDIA, Richtech uses the Isaac Sim robotic simulation platform to train DEX in virtual environments before real-world deployment. This Sim2 real learning process accelerates training, enhances safety, and reduces deployment time, enabling faster adaptation to diverse industrial workflows. DEX merges technologies from Richtech's previous robots, the Titan Autonomous Mobile Delivery System and the Atom Dual-Arm Service Robot. Unlike legged robots, DEX employs a wheeled AMR platform for stability, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. It can maneuver tightly in shared human spaces, brake quickly, and operate for hours per charge. While mobile, DEX runs for about 4 hours on battery, or continuously 24/7 when connected to a static base. Its 2 modular arms can swap between hands, clamps, or specialized tools, while a 4-camera vision system allows it to perceive and adapt in fast-changing environments. According to Richtech President Matt Casella, DEX was designed to travel like a machine and perform tasks like a person. This practical approach enables high uptime and versatility for immediate deployment in sectors like manufacturing and logistics. DEX can handle machine operation, material handling, part sorting, quality inspection, and packaging, offering a scalable solution for U.S. companies reshoring production. To strengthen domestic robotics innovation, Richtech also announced an American robotics data initiative aimed at collecting regionally grounded data to train physical AI systems. It plans to license portions of this dataset to other U.S. robotics firms, promoting collaboration and local AI advancement. At GTC 2025 in Washington, D.C., DEX showed its capabilities, assembling custom baseball caps live using industrial machinery. With more than 450 robot deployments nationwide, Richtech is now seeking pilot partners to integrate DEX into real-world automation projects, taking that next step forward in the evolution of industrial humanoid robotics. At the same time, leaning more on the AI side, Supermicro has expanded its cloud service provider portfolio with the launch of the 6U20-node microblade system, powered by AMD EPYC 4005 series processors. The new system is optimized for cloud computing, web hosting, virtual desktop infrastructure (VDI), AI inference, and enterprise workloads, emphasizing performance, energy efficiency, and affordability. The 6U microblade offers a 3.3 times higher server density than traditional 1U configurations, enabling up to 160 servers and 16 Ethernet switches per 48U rack, delivering as many as 2,560 CPU cores per rack. Each blade supports one AMD EPYC 4005 processor with up to 16 cores, 192 gigabytes DDR5 memory, and a dual-slot full-height, full-length FHFL GPU. Built using Supermicro's building block architecture, the system provides up to 95% cable reduction, 70% space savings, and 30% energy savings, significantly reducing total cost of ownership for cloud providers and data centers. As Supermicro continues to strengthen its position as a leader in modular, open-standard server and storage architecture across global markets, it's creating a dedicated U.S. government subsidiary to supply AI servers and data center solutions to federal agencies, all manufactured and tested in Silicon Valley. CEO Charles Liang stated that the effort supports federal initiatives to expand AI adoption while ensuring domestic production and security compliance. The move follows an April White House directive requiring agencies to appoint chief AI officers and develop internal AI strategies. The new subsidiary aligns with rising federal interest in AI for data analysis, logistics automation, and risk assessment, with agencies like the Federal Aviation Administration already integrating AI into safety and reporting systems. Supermicro's expansion mirrors similar efforts by CoreWeave, which recently entered the federal cloud market. Additionally, Supermicro's data center building block solutions, DCBBS, enable customers to design and deploy entire data centers through a single vendor, reducing build time and improving serviceability. Its liquid cooling technologies further enhance efficiency-cutting data center power use by up to 40% versus air-cooled systems. And with accelerating AI demand, Supermicro reaffirmed its $33 billion FY 2026 revenue target. As for Reddit, its Q3 results beat Wall Street expectations on both revenue and user growth, offering investors renewed optimism about its long-term potential, despite ongoing concerns around AI disruption and high valuation. CEO Steve Huffman characterized the quarter as evidence of real progress in Reddit's three focus areas: core product development, search innovation, and international expansion. Daily active users rose 19% year-over-year to 116 million, driven largely by international markets such as France, Brazil, and India. While user growth continues to slow from its 2024 peak, Huffman emphasized that Reddit's product refinements, including AI-assisted search tools and improved onboarding for new users, are positioning the platform for more sustainable engagement. A major theme emerging is Reddit's evolution into a search-driven community platform. Huffman noted that more than 75 million people use Reddit for internet searches each week, with about 20% of search activity now powered by its AI-based Reddit Answers tool. It plans to unify AI features in its traditional search experience in the coming quarters. This move signals Reddit's intent to counter the growing influence of AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini that have reduced traffic from traditional search referrals. Huffman downplayed chatbots as significant traffic sources, saying most users still arrive through Google or direct access. However, Reddit is actively negotiating new licensing and partnership deals with major AI companies to ensure its content remains central to online knowledge ecosystems. As Huffman wrote earlier this year, in an automated world that depends on human knowledge, we view Reddit as one of the most important and differentiated data sources. To that end, Reddit is pursuing a dual strategy, monetizing its data responsibly while protecting its community from exploitation. The company has filed lawsuits against Perplexity AI and Anthropic, accusing them of illegally scraping Reddit content, even as it maintains legitimate data licensing partnerships with Google and OpenAI. These cases underscore Reddit's attempt to draw a line between collaboration and unauthorized use in the increasingly competitive AI data economy. Beyond data licensing, Reddit continues investing in advertising and publisher tools, such as Reddit Pro, now used by outlets like the New York Times and NBC News. These tools allow partners to track content performance across Reddit's communities, strengthening ties with media organizations. Looking ahead, Reddit offered an upbeat Q4 outlook, projecting stronger than expected revenue and earnings growth, suggesting continued advertiser confidence despite macroeconomic uncertainty. Yet challenges remain with growth deceleration and AMP, reliance on Google search traffic. Still, investors appear to view Reddit as one of the few social platforms positioned to thrive in the AI era, leveraging authentic, user-generated dialogue as both a commercial asset and cultural differentiator. As AI transforms how people discover and discuss information, Reddit's blend of human insight and technological adaptation could make it an indispensable part of that future. In the near future, Newegg kicks off Black November with month-long tech deals, flexible financing, and new loyalty perks. The return of its Black November sales runs from November 1st to 29th, marking the company's longest-ever doorbuster promotion period. The event features daily 9 a.m. Pacific Time doorbuster deals, thousands of tech discounts, Black Friday price protection, and extended holiday returns, all designed to attract shoppers earlier and keep them engaged throughout the month. According to Katie Lau, Newegg's Director of Corporate Marketing, this year's event is about more than discounts. It's about creating experiences that elevate the shopping journey. Each day through November 29th, new doorbuster deals will unlock on Newegg.com, with the retailer's steepest price cuts on popular hardware, electronics, and gaming products, available only while supplies last. The campaign is structured around 5 themed promotional phases, building excitement through the early access, non-stop deals, and ultimate sale stages, leading up to Black Friday. Shoppers are further encouraged to buy early through Black Friday price protection, which automatically refunds the difference if a qualifying item's price drops before November 29th. Newegg is also extending its holiday return policy, allowing returns on eligible purchases made between November 1st and December 31st through January 31st, 2026, a customer-friendly move likely to boost buyer confidence during peak gift season. Alongside the holiday promotions, Newegg Business announced a partnership with Credit Key, expanding flexible financing for companies purchasing IT and electronics. The collaboration allows business customers to access net 30 to 12-month payment terms, helping them manage cash flow and invest in technology without immediate costs. A special launch promotion offers 0% interest for 60 days for qualified buyers. Marketing manager Ivan McLean said the partnership gives businesses the flexibility to invest strategically while building stronger credit. Newegg also enhanced its store credit card program, introducing a 4% everyday savings option or special financing for 6 to 12 months on larger purchases. This upgrade, implemented in partnership with Synchrony Financial, is part of Newegg's broader strategy to strengthen customer loyalty and increase repeat purchases by offering more value and choice at checkout. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.